What's going on, traders? They're gonna do a quick video. Gonna talk about the stocks. I'm gonna either add to or start a position in today, you guys. Um, First one, let's talk about open. Open, you guys. I'm watching this little flag. It tried to break it almost, but it's on the testing right here, 474. It could still go back down, so either $4 if it holds, I'm gonna try to add some, or if it cracks the five, I'm gonna try to add some, like with some volume and some maybe a break and retest. Just so adding a little, you guys still holding a little bit of that. Full disclosure. Another one I'm down on. I got into at $1. I think it's like 93 cents right now after market, something like that. 92.99. Not too much, down about $70 on this, but this stock, it's like ABTC. A lot of dilution happened, but it did go from 14 a couple times, you guys, and they just reached 7,000 bitcoins from 14 all the way to like less than $1. I'm betting on this thing flips above $1 and maybe, hopefully, we get up to like $2, $3. Long term, maybe 4 or 5 even. I see possible. I see this gap filling, you guys, in the long term. We just gotta get back above a buck and stay above a buck. We'll see what happens with that. Another one I'm adding to hopefully is SRXH. Waiting on the merger to be complete for EMGX. You guys do your own due diligence. DTREF, definitely gonna add to that one. I tried to add to the one right here the other day, but I guess I was bringing funds in. I guess didn't clear in time, so I guess I gotta wait because this is like OTC or foreign. You gotta wait an extra day or two. Not marginable, I think Thinkorswim said. So whatever, I'll wait till Tuesday and add to this one. This one I did get in like only like forgot how much, how many shares, were we at? Only 3,600 shares, you guys. Like a starter position, as your average is 22.6. I wanted to see another bounce off this, but if it does, I will be adding a little bit. Just like trying to DCA all the way. I do have a long term target on this, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully, looking for a uplist. There's a lot of work they're getting done, you guys. They just did a $50 million private placement. Looking at that, very interesting. There's a lot of due diligence behind these stocks. Was looking at Nextdoor for a while, but man, I don't see it yet. I don't see it. It did hold like this area for a while. Like it was trying to break 135, 135, 136. It did get above here, but I'm not seeing too much pressure. So I'm watching Nextdoor. Really want to see it test the dollar a couple times. Maybe I'll get into a little position on that. Beyond Meat, kind of down on this one, you guys. Got in this one at $1. Only I think it's I've done like $400, but this is a long term hold. This is a risk, you guys. I took this risk because I like their products. I ordered their products and they just come out. They're trying to rebrand right now. They just came out with this new juice. See down 431 on this and 102 actually 0.07. So yeah, down 430, but this is a risk I'm taking for the long run. I was thinking about adding to that, but it has to get above the 69 area right here. So I might add a little bit, 100 or maybe a couple hundred shares to that. And then what else is? Oh yeah, ons, you guys. This is very interesting to me. I've been watching this for ever since like it was over here. Came back. It kind of double bottomed at five, and I wasn't around on that like this day or two, and I didn't want to like chase and stuff. So I was like, you know what? I'll wait till another dip. Right now, I have my alerts around the 200 MA. Want to see another double test of that. The thing is, we almost got to it, but we didn't quite get to it. Buyers did come back, and then it tried to dip again. Buyers came back again. A lot of stuff going on in the world. I think they're a drone maker. I like their balance sheet. I like the technicals. Couple, hopefully waiting for a good couple contracts. But I do see this for the long term, you guys. If you guys do like a little, you guys can see a little flag pattern right there, and it is on the breakout right here. So I am gonna either wait for the $10 breakout and then possibly add if it cracks like above 11, 12. but I really would like to get in if it like comes back to double test. I don't think it's gonna get to 5 again as possible, but maybe the 200 I made. So we'll see on that. Iron. Yeah, Iron. I was looking at you guys to add to my other portfolio account. You guys know that this one's at 76 back to 34, but I do have an alert at 20. You never know. I was trying to see if we can get there. We'll see what happens. Anything else? Hems. Yeah, Hems is very interesting, you guys. Hems went all the way 72, then it triple topped around 70, and now it's all the way back to $19. I do have an alert for 15, but just because I have an alert there, like I think 16 too, I have on my other thing, I have an alert. So if it fills this little gap back here, see this, you guys, and then if we can get a good bounce, I will start a position here. But him just very interesting. I'd rather get a better entry than this because this is still a little risky right here because it's in the middle of the gap. So I try I combine my trading like patterns with my like swing trading entries. Um, ETH, BTC, you guys, adding to that all the time, DCN all the way. I think that's it for today's video, you guys. I'm gonna do another video of some comments I got a few weeks ago, you guys. Just been really busy with everything. Smash that like, hit that subscribe. Any questions, leave in the comments, and do not forget, plan the trade, trade the plan. Peace out.